With everything getting more and more expensive, especially at the grocery store, okay, my goodness, the last time I checked, a dozen eggs was $5.49. My goodness, let's have a moment of silence for that one. And I can imagine if you live in, say, New York or California or Hawaii, how much more expensive it is for you. So with that being said, okay, it is less expensive. It is cheaper to buy a whole chicken than buying the tray of chicken parts. Now, last year I was on a TV show and I said this, and it's worth repeating, okay? Cutting up a whole chicken is a skill every cook needs to have. Why? Because it's gonna make you a better cook. Because now when you cut up the whole bird, and you are going to end up with the backbone and the neck bone, you can now make chicken stock. A chicken stock is the foundation to a great stew, a great soup, and a great sauce. Absolutely, absolutely necessary, right? So when it comes to cutting up a whole bird, it's all about knowing where the fat lines are and where the joints are. And I'm gonna show you once I put my camera overhead, because I want you to see every single angle, okay? And so all you're going to need really is just a cutting board, a boning knife, a steel, a pair of kitchen scissors, a cleaning bucket with some soapy water, some bleach in there to keep your area clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness, okay? You're also going to need a scrap bowl so you can throw away the extra skin, okay? And then once you have that skill, guys, cutting up a whole bird becomes second nature and no longer intimidating, all right? We'll be right back.